Adam.
Marek,
Yes.
you know, Sami probably kill us.
Why?
We should do some nitride shots, you know.
NIGHTRIDE
we are
drifting.
On event.
Yeah, we are still at the event on
Beautiful
Estonia.
truck, he destroyed his car, yeah, and we don't care and go fishing.
Daily dose of nitride.
We basically yesterday, we always wanted to go fishing.
Yeah, and
someone, where's the, you don't see it.
Wait. Watch out for the worm.
Did Adam find a worm? Yes. Day ride, 100k special.
And
But listen.
Fishing accessories.
Yes. Essentially, we were supposed to go fishing to Latvia with Ladas for 100k on second channel. But someone gave this present to us and we found a lake nearby. So, we got an idea, why don't we try to make our own fishing stick? From all the things we got.
Everything except kurwa fishing stick.
Yes.
It's too big for me. I'm a small guy. But
Yes.
here I saw there is a kurwa hook.
No kurwa, please.
There is oh no hook.
Yes, there is a hook actually here, which is pretty small. Oh no. Yes. So these ones we're not. Oh, but these ones we can use, so that's gonna be nice. Yes. We just need a fishing stick somehow.
Normal wooden stick or?
Stani.
Fast Porsche. It's broken anyway.
It's Nissan. Man, that's a nice fishing stick. Oh. This is good. Cigaretka, piweczko. Listen, I'm sorry, but not sorry at all that it's gonna be a day ride vibe video on NIGHTRIDE. I was honestly thinking about filming.
There is oh no small.
Oh wait, already. Perfect. I was thinking to film another day of drifting, but since you saw drifting in the last video, I just honestly don't care about drifting. Like for the second day in a row, it's not very exciting for me. So we decided to go fishing. Oh, we can put it here, on this corner, on here. That would be perfect. Jak do lasu? Na ryby? No?
Make sure the worm is not dead.
Yes, Adam found a worm under a rock. Give me one side so I will hold it so we don't lose it. That's a very thin one. You don't even see it on the camera, I think. Super thin. But we don't need to get very big fish. We can get small fish. And it's okay. The main rule of fishing, when you don't have the spinning thing, you should have the line just slightly longer than the stick itself, yep, to make the most comfortable throw-ins.
Just measuring.
Okay. This long, I would say. This would be nice, right here. So here, roughly.
Watch out because I lose
the hook. Yeah, the hook is there. That's fine.
Hey, he's from Estonia, I think. We need to ask him about the rules here.
The rule is that we need to go fishing.
Hey, you was on fishing sometimes? You going to fishing sometimes,
yes,
or no?
Yes, I fish.
If we don't have oh no license, what can they do for us? We go to fishing now.
With this?
Yes.
I have a better rod.
Here? Yes. No.
But I'm leaving. Fuck. I don't know. I'm not Estonian.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Polish. Neighbors.
Neighbors, yes. Hello.
Fishing mans. Look.
Oh, this is nice.
Marek, I prefer this.
This side?
Can you bring me tape from Andrew's bag?
Yeah. Tape from Andrew's bag. There's some tape here.
Mamy stary.
Ciężarek mogłeś wyżej dać.
Ja go nie dawałem. On tam był już. Może się rusza.
Opa.
Pierwsza ryba.
Man, perfect.
na ryby normalnie.
Okay.
Andrew?
So now we need to find the lake and Andrew. Andrzej! Jedziemy na ryby! Sorry, did you want me to film some drifting?
Yes, can you film some drifting, please?
Some
today?
cinematics and all that?
Yeah.
Okay.
What this? Is that warm? Is that warm?
Yes.
Good. What are you gonna do with this?
Film cinematics.
Drifting?
Yeah, drifting. Cinematics. Don't worry. Drifting, cinematics.
Wy jesteście wariaty kreatywne. My laptop died in the middle of the rendering, so I
Oh,
need to
no.
render again.
Don't worry, I'm gonna go and film drifting
fishing
cinematics.
There's no way you catch a fish with this. If you catch the fish, I give you 500 zł. But needs to be with this, not like this.
Okay. Could you record that?
Yes.
500 zł.
Okay, let's go. I almost went fishing without worm, but with beer. So this will turn into fish soon.
500 zł if we catch a fish.
O kurwa, that's a challenge.
Hey, policaje are here.
Kurwa, we are
I
fucked.
know we are going fishing.
Go quietly. Nothing to see here, just men going to do the natural thing. We literally found a little lake just behind the truck, like a very small one. It looks very nice and very quiet. No fishermen around. And this place looks beautiful.
Marek, I think 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Give me robaczek.
Okay, so we are ready.
Can I do the honors?
Yes, do it.
Close, but
Maybe next to the
Barry?
the grass. That's where the fish likes to be. Now come here.
Patrz.
Hey, I already see small fish there.
Something.
I think we don't have enough weight.
Yeah, it's good. Look. You see that? Widziałeś to? No tak,
Już poszło.
ale to mała płotka.
No, they don't have any power to even take it.
No, za małą mordę mają na tego. Na hak, bo hak jest dosyć duży. Musi przyjść większa. Mamy tam jeszcze coś mamy.
Hey, it took it off the hook
No, no.
a bit. The ending.
Widzisz to, Andrzej?
Oh. Hey! 500 zloty!
500 zł, kurwa, cash. Patrz, kurwa.
Oh my days!
Piękna płotka.
Okay.
Pocałować i do wody, nie?
Yes.
Ale robaka oddawaj,
Nie ma robaka, trzeba znaleźć.
dawaj robaka.
Marek,
Nie
Okay.
go
uważaj.
wypluje. Nie go wypluje.
The fish. Oh yes, this picture.
Make it bigger.
Oh yes. Nice. Oh, beautiful. Let it go.
You can put. I think you can catch a fish here without any
Stick.
worm.
Without worm.
Yeah,
Try. Hey, look. We don't have a worm.
Mówię ci, złapię na pusty haczyk. Jak jest tu duży płotek, to złapię na pusty haczyk.
Co, jak pociągnie, to mam dobre wyciągnąć?
No, będziesz widział.
I think it's too close, Andrzej.
How to make it?
No, just swing it harder. Throw it a bit further. Oh.
Proper bushcraft survival fishing.
Listen guys, 20,000 likes on this video and we go for a proper fishing trip with the boys. Without even... No, it wouldn't be on a... Yeah, look, listen. If this video gets 20,000 likes, we will go fishing with the boys for the future Daily Dose of NIGHTRIDE episode that's still gonna be this month. How about that?
Co? Nic?
Nic.
Kurde, robaczki.
Adam is still looking for worms.
Ej, a na muchę to złapie coś?
No? Co?
Mam jakiegoś żuczka.
You found a bug.
Mam żuczka, Andrzej.
Dawaj. Throw it there nicely. Nice, perfect. O, poszło, poszło.
Nie czułem, ale widziałem.
If this is not top quality entertainment. Opa! Ah, it ate it.
Dobra, mam pająka.
I found a spider. If you ask me what content I enjoy filming more, yesterday's drifting or this hands down. I could film fishing like this every single day of my life probably.
We should take the tent. Fuck drifting.
Yeah.
Today, actually, yesterday I realized I don't want to go to Shotsu with my car. Really, I want to do some drifting, track drifting on the streets. You know, when the streets are closed. And I don't want to go to events because it's too expensive and for me too much
Effort.
Yeah. I will take you and Andrzej to every day, you know. Dobra.
Too close.
Więcej robaczków.
Spadł.
Jestem skurwol, nie ma go.
Ah, fell off. Okay, Adam is going to look for more bugs. But on the first bug, it literally took it straight away.
It was nice worm.
Adam found a snail. And life is good.
Life is good, Marek. Imagine.
Yeah, if we wouldn't drift, just do this.
Pociągnę już nie ma.
Teraz zobaczysz.
Pociągnę już przestało ciągnąć.
Zobacz. No skurwy.
Took it off. Oh my days.
Za małe te.
The fish are smart. Okay, I was looking under some rocks and I found a worm. So we good. There you go.
So do the honors.
That's gonna be proper
No,
fish.
Marek, do the honors. Dobra.
Okay, the guys want me to do the honors.
You find the worm, so you need to do the honors. Marek, catch a beautiful płoteczka, please.
Does that mean I will get 500 zloty from
We
Sam?
ask Sam how much he have in his wallet. 1, 2, 3, already. Beautiful płoteczka.
Hey, can you take a picture of me?
A to trzymają, a ja muszę
Pięknie jest. Piękna. Nie wiem jak się robi zdjęcia jak masz tego, po prostu nagrałem.
Yes.
Dobra, Andrzej, musisz złapać rybę teraz.
Yeah, and now Andre needs to get the fish and we can go.
But I like this zestaw. It's very nice, yeah? Nie zaplątał się jeszcze 40 razy. Andrzej, wierzę w ciebie. Trochę
Dawaj,
blisko.
throw it nicer. Throw it nicer.
I liczymy. Ja myślę, że 5 sekund na takiego robaczka.
Dawaj, Andre. We believe in you. Kurwa, nie to. It's on the floor now.
2, 3, 4, 5, bierze.
Nie, dawaj.
No.
Oh, that's perfect. Perfect spot.
Czy tylko o tym jebanym patyku w wodzie? Powiedz mi.
Oh, wait. No. It's trying. It's too small. Dawaj. Should have been faster a bit.
Ale to ona nie musi się złapać?
Now you have to catch it because it's too small to eat it.
O!
Kurwa. Almost.
Ja pierdolę.
This is better than drifting, no?
Go to kurwa, shop and buy better stick and we should catch a pike. Co tam?
Yes! Oh!
Ale to jest dalej ta sama chyba, czy nie?
No, that's a different one. There's so many of them. Andre! So, Sam owes us 1,500 zloty now.
Odczepić?
Sorry?
Okay.
Ah, okay.
Okay.
No problem.
Okay, so we can go.
Yeah, the gentleman just told us there's no fishing. But we didn't know.
No.
But we're also not keeping the fish. We're just, letting it go. But yeah. Andre, no, we didn't get a picture of Andre with the fish.
No, it's fine.
Okay, let's go to Sam.
And maybe we can take this stick to motorki and go for
Another
fish
one.
more.
Okay, let's go to Sam.
I need to see someone's face.
I mean, he will not believe us because we don't have any fish with us.
We need to go kurwa like,
Like this.
A, sam jeździ chyba.
Sam is not even here. My guy is not serious about fishing.
Zgadnij.
Ja się domyślam, kto to nakleił.
Normalnie mamy, nie, my to nie mówimy o naklejkach. Zgadnij, których 3 dżentelmenów kurwa złapało po rybie.
Naprawdę?
Yes.
Naprawdę złapaliście po rybie?
I się ostatnio nad gościu wyjechał.
Sam, you owe us 1,500 zloty.
Yeah. I need to spend that much to fix that wheel.
That sounds like a you problem. Money, dollar.
I was the first one.
Ej, ale gumiki się nie liczą przecież.
To były prawdziwe ryby duże.
But the fish, you know, fish starts from like
Yeah, that was it.
not.
3 of them
Show me the fish.
on a video.
Where's the fish?
We are
On the
nice.
video. ChatGPT, please paste fish in the video. Generating content. No, man. Fish. I need to touch the fish to know it's a fish.
Samuel now?
Scamwell.
No, not Scamwell.
Scamming.
Hej, odkręcaj to, wylewaj ta woda.
zostaw.
Hey, everyone in the comments,
But where fish?
everyone comment, Sam is a scammer, Scamwell. I just realized that if everyone starts commenting word scam or something like that, the video will probably be flagged by YouTube algorithms and all that as something negative. So maybe leave a comment about Sam's situation, but without using the word scam. How about that?
But why? I said you need to bring me fish.
No.
You need to catch a fish.
Yeah, he said.
Catch a fish.
Yeah, we did.
So, but
You
where's
catch
the
a fish.
proof?
I catch
Where's
a fish.
proof? Where's proof?
You will see it.
No.
Scamwell. Everyone comment Scamwell.
He really scam me?
Yep.
But no. Wait. My friends, wait. It's not like this, you know.
Did you need help? Oh, sorry. I had wheels for you extra that you can put here.
Can you?
So yeah. Okay, this will be the ending of this video. I know that this was very much of a day ride vibe video, but not every day you can expect a perfect cinematic, beautiful video on a daily dose of night ride. Sometimes you have to have a bit of chill time and just enjoy, because yesterday for me was such a difficult day, honestly, like, but good, in a good way. I was literally filming from the morning all the way till late night. We came back home at 1 and I was still doing a bit of editing at night. It was so much work, but I'm happy that I did it. As I'm filming it right now, I still don't know how the video is because I didn't edit it much, but we shall see once it's ready. For now, this will be it for this one. We are literally packing the Skyline right now onto the trailer and going all the way back home. Now it shows 15-hour drive, but with the trailer, as you know, it's gonna take much longer. But we're still gonna try to do it in one go. Yeah, I suppose I shall see you all tomorrow.